Hey, jumping on here quickly. So there's some announcements on Blender. So they have the main one out. So I have one, and we're gonna download it and just show you a quick update about it and a couple things that they have out. And hopefully I can get you onto the side of doing uh, work on Blender and even editing video on Blender. I haven't even gotten there myself, so you know, little by little, right? So let's start with one here. Let's see. Window caption. Bring it here. Get this going over here. Sorry, guys. Get it on their website. There we go. So, alright, cool. Alright, cool. So you can see this, and then you can see what I'm doing here. So I'm going to download this. The thing here is that, okay, so they got a bunch of stuff. So they got a new Cycles render engine. It's just obviously a lot better than they've used it before with Spring and many other short films. So they can do, they have render engine, which is Cycles. They also have Eevee, which has a lot of like details and stuff like that. Um, More like like details of like skin and like lizards, like they have bumpy skin and stuff like that, like texture and stuff like that. So here's modeling and sculpting right here. So like it does that as well. It also does VFX work, which is like VFX compositing and manual, and as well as auto tracking. So you can do like tracking shots and stuff like that as well, and track just videos and add in 3D text and or characters. So this is huge. It's all free. It's all in the description below as well. Here's animation rigging right here as well. This is new. This part right here now is new. It's story art, which is drawing in 2D. This is great for concept art as well as like doing storyboards for movies if you gotta like flesh them out a little bit more. And then they said like make it your own. You can do color correcting, video editing, obviously here, and high res uh, just exports. And it's really good. One of the things I haven't tried if it does any 4K, but I'm gonna grab this real quick here. It's the download button, so you guys can see download it. Blender Cloud. That's $10 a month. I'm sure you get like a lot of free stuff with that. Here we go. So it goes right there. So find it. So you see the little tab that popped up on the bottom, the white tab. That's it right there. So, okay. Let's open it. Okay, so I'm going to open it here. Takes a little bit. Cool. Now it's asking me to put it in my applications folder, which I am. Go to replace the other one. This is the new update, so I'm replacing what was there before. 375.6 megabytes is the program itself. Now when you do sculpting and you start doing that, obviously your project files are going to be a lot bigger over time. So expect that to happen. And then, shout outs to their Blender YouTube channel. All links below. They have their blog as well, and the links below in the description. And I also have their developers YouTube channel, which they talk a lot about the updates with everything that's going on with Blender. They also have a Blender YouTube channel where they teach you, you know, like the first steps and everything like that, which is right here. You see the red icon showing up with YouTube. Well, that's it right there, and it's a playlist. They'll show you all the first steps. I will also be linking in the links above. Let's see. I'll also be linking the links above. Let me show myself here. So up here you're going to see links where there's going to be 2 Blender videos, and I kind of talk a little bit about 2.79, so you can see where it was before, and then you're going to see kind of where it is now. Let's see. Quick here. Change the properties here. It's opening. Yay. Alright, cool. Now I'm going to show it to you guys. Alright. So you can't really see like all the stuff. I'm gonna have to move it around a little, but let's see here. Go back to the program. So I have my stuff here, which is this right here. Introduce Filmworks logo. So they have the real-time cycles here on the right. So I'll move this over a little so you can see on the tabs on the right. Okay, so it's not letting me show the Blender thing. Well, I did it, but now it's like not there. So OBS failing me for the moment. Let's put something else. And then let's bring it back up. There we go. Alright, so there on the right side, you're going to see it says cycles. I'm going to make it highlight all the way on the right. It says render engine. And you can see it says EV here too. Click EV. And then right over here, little ball right there. Ooh, super bright. Okay. So it's the EV engine. But see how you can see a light shining through there? It's like this is all glass, and then I deleted a bunch of stuff, like over here on the left side. As you can see, like these little toggle things here. Like this is glass. Angel Dust Filmworks. See, that's like glass. So you can see kind of like the world around it and stuff. So there's a bunch of things in here. So with that being said, let's look up here real quick. So there's an animation section. And that sets you up for that. And then there's compositing section. So this is kind of like, if you know what nodes are and stuff, this is kind of what that is, which we'll talk about it in this channel. If you click the notification bell, you'll know about that when I do talk about it. There's the default, game logic. This is where you can do the coding for your controllers and stuff like that if you're a gamer. And then motion tracking, scripting for the gaming, I believe. And then UV editing, which I think is like UV mapping, which is like you could take pictures of stuff and then just map it on 3D objects. And this is video editing. So a regular video editing system, there's also animation capabilities, and let's see the 3D stuff here. Whoa, why does it let me talk about that? That's weird. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so cursor, default. Let's see sculpting. So get like a sculpting thing. Make sculpting tool I can touch real quick. Let's see. I gotta do something and learn how to do that. But you see, I haven't really messed with these parts of it, but as far as like creating text, that's like fairly easy. I could do a tutorial for that for you guys as well. Let me know in the comments if you like that and you want to learn. And then you can composite it and do it yourself. Let's see. Do I have, sorry. It allows you to see it over here on the left. So as you can see, it has many capabilities, and as far as like exporting in 4K, I believe it can. It has the ability to do so. I have it on the cycles render engine. Let's see this part here. File. Do AVI raw. Do JPEG. Look, is FF MPEG video is exactly what you're going to end up choosing anyways. So let me move it over. So you see there. So this is black and white and RGB. It's a lot of really cool stuff here. Let me do the default of how I have Look, now you can see right over here what I had. So what I have over here is like the world right here. I'm just like zoom over. So this is the camera that I'm filming from, and as you can see, this is the light right here, and then up in here, you could see the world which are moving. Pretty cool, right? Simple effects, done fairly quick. It's completely dark. Oops. Crack it on. It's daytime. So it's pretty cool. So you can do a lot of cool things like that, and it gives you true to life reflections on your models, including your text, like with stuff like this. So, oh look, I actually did draw something over here with that grease pencil, that little pencil thing. It's all blue over here, as you can see. It's over there. It's look at that. It's 2D. But look at the lines and how easy that was. Maybe I could put it to video. Who knows? Yeah, it looks pretty cool though. And it's just floating in there in space, so in 3D space. So let's try something out. Okay, cool. Alright, so I'm doing my super. Yeah. I need to undo, and undo. This is Command Z, guys. Undo and undo. So you can see all the stuff that you can do with this. I could do. Subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. In 3D. Look at that. Whoa. You can see that stuff. Cool, cool. So maybe I'll like do something with somebody's name on here. If you leave a comment below, if you leave a comment. Oh, you know what? We'll end this video on this. It would be perfect. Okay, I'll do with letters like this. I'll just write your name real quick, and Angel Does Filmworks, and I'll do a little video, or I'll just write your name up there and do a little video with just your name, 3D video with just your name. Let's see. And all you got to do for that is to comment 2D video of my name. You know, just comment that you want a video of your name on Blender down below, and also like and subscribe so you can get entered for that, because it's a small contest on its own. So you get one of those, and it'll be in 3D and all that stuff, and it'll move around, but the letters will be, you know, in 2D hand drawn with my mouse. So just because of this video, let me know if you like this, and I'll see you guys here next week. Later.